guys! This is part 3 of my DIY Christmas series.
Hi guys!
Hi guys! How are you? I will start to decorate for Christmas. I made my Christmas tree a little bit smaller. I'll show you the picture later on. It's a little bit thin because it's pandemic. Mura jug tarong uy. So this is my Christmas tree. We have been using this for the last pila ka years, Merms? Kani? 20 years. This Christmas tree, can you see? See? We have been using the same Christmas tree for 20 years. So we moved here in this house like year 2000 January, and still now it's surviving. It used to be very wide, but now because the trend is a little bit small, so we adjusted, we folded the branches and made it a little bit slim. So, and those are my Christmas balls, and there's some other decorations that I am gonna use. Okay, that is my anak. Kuya, hi din, kuya. Char. Hindi mulingi. Hi, kuya. I started putting the Christmas lights, a few red Christmas balls, and then I put the big pink Christmas balls and a little rose gold sash at the bottom. And this is how it looks with the lights on. Thank you for watching. Mwah. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for new videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!